Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Christmas is here, and as we know, we all get ready at this time to bake delicious goodies and fill our home with yummy treats and heavenly smells. Today I'm going to be showing you a very simple but superb recipe of the Baath or batika. It's an East Indian dessert which is normally made for Christmas. It's super simple and super delicious and very easy to make. I'm sure when you make this and keep it on your dessert table for Christmas, everybody is going to be licking their fingers. So let's get started. For the Baath batika, we will be using butter, sugar, semolina, we have eggs, we have desiccated coconut, vanilla essence, we have baking powder, cardamom powder, nutmeg powder. For the lattice that we will put on top, I will need flour, butter and water. For making the dough, I will take the flour, butter and water and I will knead this together to make a smooth pliable dough. We will use this dough to make the lattice on top of the cake. In a bowl, I will take the eggs. To this, I will add the vanilla essence and I will add the sugar. Using a whisk, I will mix these together. I am mixing the eggs and the sugar with the vanilla essence. To this, I will add the cardamom powder, the nutmeg powder, and the butter which I have melted in the microwave. And I will continue mixing this till the sugar has slightly dissolved. As you can see, it is mixed well. To this, I will take the semolina. I will take the baking powder and the desiccated coconut and I will mix this thoroughly till it is all well blended. Now, as you can see, the dough has come together. It is not like a normal cake dough. It's more like a short crust dough. I have taken an 8-inch tin which I have greased and lined with the butter paper. I will put this dough inside and using the spatula, I will just level it out. Till it is smooth on top. This is the dough which I had shown in the beginning. We have made it and kept it. I will take this dough and roll it out, to a thin sheet. Dough has been rolled, and now using a pizza cutter, I will just cut, thin strips of these. And using the strips, we will decorate the top of the cake. I start from the middle. You can take the strip all the way till the edge, or you can leave like 1 centimeter between the corners. I normally like it like this because it gives a nice and a better pattern. Now this cake is ready to go into a preheated 160-degree oven for about 30 to 35 minutes till it is golden brown on top and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. The Baath is ready. We can use some decorations and decorate this cake so that it gets that nice and Christmas feel. It's a yummy treat which I'm sure is going to, be the talking point on your Christmas table. So you should try this. Cut out a slice and try this. Do you see the texture? It's super yummy. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज।